This is the entrance going to the mansion, is that one there. So this river is coming from, where is it coming from? The land in the mansion. And yesterday when we passed by, I noticed all the snowdrops were flowering. So we are lucky today because it is sunny day and we're coming here to check. And they are all beautiful. That's a nice snowdrop. Look how cute. They're very cute. They're very, very cute. They are so cute. And lots of daffodils as well are growing. Look at that. Come on, you can do it. Do not touch it just in case it's a live wire. Imagine if it's a live wire and you'll be like, pook! How beautiful. Snowdrops in the field. And the sun is really out today, so I was going to do some painting. I changed my mind. I'm gonna do gardening outside instead while the sun is out, because it really is a nice day today. We take the chance to clean outside while the sun is out. I'm just gonna touch the water if it's cold or not. We've got lots of crocus growing as well. Ha! I made it. I'm just gonna touch the water if it's cold. Oh, it's not too bad. I found a treasure. I found a nice treasure. It's like from an old pot.
Yes, yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? I can decorate it in the pot. Found a treasure today. How beautiful it is, isn't it? It's just beautiful. Honestly, when the sun is out, it's magical.
I just show you to my granddaughter. Mana! Mana here!
Hello, baby!
Mana!
I should dress up like Moana sometime.
Yes,
She'll be